Let's take a look at the Smrt PIR ceiling motion sensor. It will do occupancy, vacancy, or daylight harvesting. What I'd like to show you now is how simple it is to set up daylight harvesting in the Smrt Bluetooth app. We're going to be controlling a 2x2 flat panel and be using it for daylight harvesting. So you could have a number of fixtures like this, or recessed cans, or whatever it is you're using, next to the windows, close to the windows, and then we would install a PIR motion sensor and set it to daylight harvesting to automatically dim down these lights by the window when the ambient light outside is greater. You'll notice how small the sensor is. It virtually disappears on the ceiling when you put it next to this wall switch, which is approximately 3 inches by 4 inches. We're going to go into the Smrt app, and we want to find every Bluetooth radio that has not been programmed. And the way we do that is we can click to add here or in the upper left corner. So let's go ahead and click to add, and you can see that it's found one power pack. I've got the sensor wired with a quick connect that goes right to the power pack. So let's go ahead and select that. In the bottom right corner, we're going to hit add and get confirmation to hit add. When it locates that radio, it will flash the light. And now it will be completing the setup to add that to the platform, and it says device added. I'll hit OK to get out of there, and now we'll go to the lights page, and you can see when that yellow circle goes away, it has gone into Bluetooth mode, and we can turn the light on and off just by tapping the screen, or we can associate a wall switch with it and so forth. But what we're going to do is press this and hold it, and that will bring us into here where we can set up that sensor for Bluetooth, or excuse me, for daylight harvesting. So in the bottom right corner, there looks like a silhouette of a little man walking. We'll press that, and you have an option for daylight harvesting or motion. So we're going to select daylight harvesting. Then we're going to go over here to the wheel icon. You can see we have selections of soft, mild, and aggressive that are predetermined dim levels. So soft is 50%, mild is 30%, aggressive 1%, and the delay time and the speed you can set also. If you use the custom setting, you can set those parameters yourself. But we're going to just select aggressive. And we're down at the bottom, we're going to hit send, and then we're going to hit save, and it flashes it. And now we're going to set that for our automated settings, and based on the space that I am in, if I come over here and we lower the light level, you will see that it is automatically raising the lights. So this would be assuming it's evening, the sun's going down. So now what it's doing is turning those lights back up to 100% or whatever percentage you set it at. So when it's darker out and the sun's going down, as you can see, it will raise that light level back up. So now let's simulate the sun is coming up and we have greater light outside than we do inside. As that ambient light starts coming through and the sensor picks it up, you can see it gradually will set the light level down and dim those down to the level that you have asked for. It does it at a slow pace on the default, so it's not so noticeable to the occupants where they think something's wrong, where the lights just dropped out. But you can change that speed to whatever you want it to be in the app as well. Thank you for watching. That's a little bit more on how we set up daylight harvesting on our PIR ceiling motion sensors. Again, it will do either occupancy or vacancy for motion, and it will do daylight harvesting as well. Very, very powerful. It comes with the 10 amp power pack that just clips in with a quick disconnect to the power pack and the sensor holder for the ceiling. To find out more information, visit us on our website at www.installsmartcontrols.com or send us an email at sales@installsmartcontrols.com. Thank you.